This is a review of the 36-pack flower functional kit. There are 36 heirloom seed packets in this kit. It is from Survival Garden Seeds, who sent me this pack so that way I could take a look and do a review on what I found. And this is a fantastic garden kit if you're looking for a nice variety of the flowers. I cannot get over how many different flowers there are in here. So we've got a whole bunch of sunflowers. And then we've got some sweet pea, Texas bluebonnet, Victoria blue sage, red yarrow, zinnias. We've got mallow, marigold, milkweed, milkweed rose, milkweed butterfly, nasturtiums, pansies, corn poppy, California poppy, snapdragons. We've got cosmos, we've got Cape daisy, Shasta daisy, evening primrose, forget-me-nots, 4 o'clocks, hollyhocks, lavender, daisy painted. And then last but not least, we've got amaranth, annual phlox, bellflower, black-eyed Susan, blanket flower, blue fax, calendula, columbine, and echinacea. That is a fantastic variety of native wildflowers and pollinator flowers, in my opinion. Not only are they non-GMO, they are heirloom varieties, which means that they are not hybrid, which also means that you can save the seeds from these flowers and then plant them again next year.